Want to add stylish, custom shape dividers to your Elementor designs? Completely free? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Elementor's built-in shape divider feature. I've already created this section layout using Turbo Addons for Elementor, but the key effect here, this eye-catching shape divider in the page sections. Let's open the section settings by clicking the 6-dot handle, then go to the Style tab and scroll down to the Shape Divider section. Now choose where to apply the divider, either top or bottom. I'll set mine to bottom. From the drop-down, you'll see many built-in shapes like waves, pyramids, curves, and more. For this section, I'm using the tilt shape and setting the height to 150 pixels to customize the look. Let's add another shape divider to the bottom of the next section. This creates a stacked layer design that really stands out. Again, go to the shape divider settings, choose bottom. Select the same tilt shape and apply the same height for design consistency. For this section, I chose the clouds shape. Gives a soft, playful feel. Once done, click Save and then Preview to see your design live. That's it, a beautiful custom shape divider created with Elementor free. No extra plugins needed. You can also customize the shape's color, height, width, and even flip or invert it to match your layout perfectly. If you like this layout, the design was built using Turbo Addons, which adds even more power to your Elementor workflow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.